Don't worry, folks. This is food related. And you're probably wondering why you're looking at a water softener, a sump pump, a pressure tank for a well system, and a dehumidifier. Well, look at that pressure tank. Isn't that nice and clean, bright blue? It's because it's brand new. I had to change this. I just changed it the other day. I knew what I was doing. It was the first time I've ever done it, though. Did I really know what I was doing? Well, it worked out. Everything's fine. So, that tank, look at that thing. Pretty good size, huh? The old one is right here. About the same size. I'm wondering if you guys know what I'm kind of thinking here when I look at this. Again, this is a food-related video. This looks like it could make a great, I'm going to say it, barbecue grill. It'd be a great project. Now, yeah, there is a bladder in there. It's a, it's a well water system pressure tank, right? Yeah. Tell me what you all think. Is there a liner inside of that? I'm talking about the metal part, not the bladder that's in there. Is this thing lined with any kind of hazardous chemical? Could I just burn it off if there is? Y'all let me know what you think. Should I make a barbecue out of this or not? It would definitely make some scrapper happy. Thank you for watching. I'm Paulie. See you next time here on the Paulie Detmers channel. Oh, and there's my water filter.